Kwemu kene wa kene Nigeria yobonozi. Tata. What I have to say today is concerning Judy. I know this is a prayer group. I know that this is where we pray. Understand, but I have to say this because it's becoming too much. I don't understand the reason why Judy is the only celebrity in Nigeria that anybody can come out and say whatever rubbish he or she wants and go scot-free. I don't understand. Even an S coming every day on social media insulting your sister. This time I'm talking to Ezenwa Umoji. An S coming up every time insulting your sister. In fact, me, I cannot comprehend though the reason why you people left this man. Every day he's on social media talking one thing or the other about your sister. Even if you, Judy, or you cannot do anything, does it mean that you, as a wife, cannot do anything? At times, we do not leave things for God. At times, we do our own part. There is reason why we have human beings and tails. You ask. It's only a tree that they will say that they want to cut and the tree will still stand. But this is not that you people don't know these people. You are living in Onitsha. Mommy twins, Tere is living in Onitsha. But you cannot arrest this woman to leave your sister alone. I don't understand. Honestly, it's me that is not related to Judy. It's paining me so deeply that Judy have siblings, have friends, have colleagues, have everybody that will save her, but nothing is being done. Everywhere on social media, they are using Judy to do caricature. Anybody that want to do content, now your sister, they will even be talking things that do not relate to her. They will be calling her there because they know that she cannot do anything. It's so bad though. It's so bad.
Good evening, Amarachi. Yes, I love what you said. It's good. But to me, I don't think you have to bring it to the public like this. I don't think the family is not on social media. They're on social media. And Judy herself, she's seen all those things. To me, Obasi is a very stupid man. To me, he's a useless man. If you think he has anything tangible, a case against this lady, why don't he go to court? I don't think Judy is stupid though. I don't think she cannot do anything. I have been seeing people cajole.
Ma.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Morgano na-ekwu.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mommy Morgano na-ekwu. Mommy Judy.
Onye na-ekwu.
Ka isi lapụ nwa gị oje dinaba di mmadụ o ife nchọ ịjụ. Why you allow your pikin your fire gị ashawo nne onye iberibe. Ka isi lapụ nwa gị, why did you allow your daughter to be sleeping with a married man? Like what condition ya? Look at her condition. She's not a shadow of herself. You will receive it. Are you not receiving it? You receive webe ya. Idiot.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mommy Morgano na-ekwu. Mommy Judy.
Onye na-ekwu.
Ka isi lapụ nwa gị oje dinaba di mmadụ o ife nchọ ịjụ. Why you allow your pikin your fire gị ashawo nne onye iberibe. Ka isi lapụ nwa gị, why did you allow your daughter to be sleeping with a married man? Like what condition ya? Look at her condition. She's not a shadow of herself. You will receive it. Are you not receiving it? You receive webe ya. Idiot.
Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans. Hey! This one that they call Wonder Shall Never End. Hey! The three witches are finally exposing themselves. Una dey hear Juju Ekwensu mama voice. Una hear the WhatsApp group. When I tell una that time say WhatsApp group, those of you that attack me, share una don't use una ear from the WhatsApp group. This is the general one. Una no say na 2, I tell una say day. 2 WhatsApp group. This is the one they do initiation. The ones they initiated. Now they did this WhatsApp group when the girls say that they pray. Then another WhatsApp group they again. That one are the ones where they don't they fly. The ones where they don't they go on the ones where they go on mission. Now it be the other one. This one are the first grade. You get where the person who come strong reach, they'll come carry and enter the second one. All in the name to support Juju Ekwesu. Some people don't buy witchcraft chop for social media. Now, that first one of that girl that was talking, the girl, they report one May Edochie fan wey dey for Facebook where they support May Edochie. The woman, they post fire to fire. She dey drag Juju Ekwesu like one kpomo for inside ogbolo soup. So that woman, they carry her name go that WhatsApp group. They come still carry Mr. Obasi name go the WhatsApp group. According to the Juju Ekwesu fan, when he go report, give their Eze wine for there. She tell them, say, she let them know, say, they need to take action. They cannot fall down and watch this happen. They need to take a serious action on that mommy twins and Mr. Obasi. And Mr. Obasi. He said they no fit fall down. Una hear everything where she talk now. Though she found where they for Facebook, they no fit fall down, they wash her when she dey insult Juju Ekwesu like that. Even Mr. Obasi are S. Mr. Obasi is an S. He is not supposed to be talking about me Edochie, but because he want to create content, he does social media. That is the why should take action on them. That is it that is the why not fit do anything about it. They want them to do something. What is she asking for? Asking them to do something. It's either they arrest them or they use spiritual power to attack them. Madam Reporter. Then that of Juju Ekwesu mother for inside. Hey! Una still hear Juju Ekwesu mama for inside. Juju Ekwesu mama wey dey for inside. The girl wey call Juju Ekwesu mama for inside. Before the girl go even talk, say, Mommy, oh, why did you allow your daughter to go and be sleeping with a married man? Now, only that one Mama Juju Ekwesu here. She say, Only Allah. Only Allah. She don't dey curse. How is that woman a responsible woman? A responsible woman, when somebody asks you such a question, definitely you are a matured woman. You know that your daughter snatched person husband. Is snatch her or be not snatch her? Is a question. Was she in yo marriage for a very long time? Yes. She knows say yo marry or be she no know. She know. So what was she doing there? Did May Edochie and yo tell her they are in separation? Were they not in marriage when your daughter come? If Juju Ekwesu mother was a responsible mother, as that girl talk, the first thing where she go talk say, my daughter, have you heard from this side? You can't be judging from one side. Maybe you are supporting May Edochie, but you have to hear from us before you start concluding. My daughter did not just go into that relationship like that. See what happened. That is a woman. That is how a woman with clear conscience will answer you. Because they all know, Juju Ekwesu mama no say, Juju Ekwesu no get clear, talk less of conscience. Before the girl go even talk, he say, Onya Allah. I like as the girl reply and back. Because all this kind of evil afternoon which way they eat sacrifice for 3 junction, you don't need to allow them to curse you. When some people, they say, they slap you, turn the other side, you will turn the other side in the grave. Such people, you don't allow them to curse you. You curse them back. You don't know whether he press leg for ground, they say, Onya Allah. Onya Allah, person you call really Nyala. Return it back to them. As he tell the girl Onyala, now the girl tell her Onyala. That girl still prepare go. The girl prepare go because he know who they be. She still stand her ground go meet them. As he tell her Onyala, that one reply her Onyala. This game is getting tougher. The 3 witches are about to be exposed. These 3 witches that broke the marriage of Yo-Yo-Yo and May Edochie, they are about to be exposed. I tell you, I say this social media now they go confess. The way of God is not the way of man. God they do it in kule. Now the time where person no expect, now God they take action. You see these 3 witches, they are about to be exposed. Their cup don't full. If I tell you say their cup don't full, it don't full. Their cup don't full. They continue to press it and press it, but it don't full. Now this social media not there for will confess, not before maths. This social media, now Juju Ekwensu, mama and his sister, they will confess. How they take destroy May Edochie marriage, they must confess it. Whether the marriage, not be say the marriage they want arrange down, but they must confess how they destroy it. They must let the world know their evil that they did. Both mother, both sister, both pikin, all of them together. They all joined hand together to fight one woman. To the extent they almost won't buy this woman. See as God don't expose them. Now one WhatsApp group now come out. The second one, God will expose it. The second one, where therefore they do their evil mission, God will expose it. And for that Juju Ekwensu fans, when they carry May Edochie supporter, May Edochie fan, they go give Eze wine. Say make Eze wine take action. Let me tell you, do you think these people, they've not taken action? People where they say they go, they support person. From support, they can't initiate them into waiting they don't know. Una hear where she dey talk say, though this is a prayer WhatsApp group, which prayer una dey pray? Who are you praying to? Are you people praying to God or Juju? Is it not Juju Ekwensu sister where they do Juju for afternoon? Imagine what she go to do for inside WhatsApp group. He says it's a prayer group. It can be a prayer group, but who are they praying to? Who are they praying to? A lot of people don't lost for different altar. They don't even know the altar where they go. If you call them now and ask them, say, which side you dey? They go tell you, say, on Sunday they go church. But ordinary day they do prayer. To which altar? Do you know what is there? Do you know who you worship? Do you know what they put on that altar where you they go? Every gathering have an altar. So this Juju Ekwensu fan, where be say they just initiate you. This WhatsApp group where they carry come outside. So this is not even the Coco WhatsApp group. This one are the place where they initiate them. Once you don't they support Juju Ekwensu, they will initiate them into this group. So that they will be under their control. When they initiate and they see that that person get power, they will carry the person automatically to the other WhatsApp group. The other one, now they say they go mission. Now they say they attack. The other WhatsApp group. That one are the strong ones now they there. All these ones now the ones where they initiate, they don't say they initiate them. Now they get the talk say, you people do something. Do you think the Juju Ekwensu never do something? Do you think they never do something? All main nation where they know, except they don't know you, say you they support, say you be main nation, or they don't know say you be supporter of May Edochie. All of them, they don't carry their name go cover. They don't carry. If you are a main nation supporter, just know that your name has been in the coven. They've taken your name to their pot. But that thing not work. It not work. The thing backfire them. Why? Because you're standing for justice. In the spiritual realms, justice cover all powers. That's why you should always let your hands be clean. Don't find person trouble. Don't find person trouble. Don't be on the wrong side. Because when you are on the wrong side in the spiritual realms, it's very easy to attack. It's very easy for them to come, to spoil not the heart, to repair the heart. So they've tried to attack my nation a lot of time. They try to bury this group. They try to fight against this group. They join main nation. They join their head together. Spiritual realms mean that they fight themselves. There is nothing they've not done. Remember, there was a time main nation they fight themselves. I tell them, you know, say my platform not big. Maybe a lot of people might not hear. I said it in my platform that this is not ordinary. This is spiritual attack on you people. People should pray for yourself. This one go drag this one. This one go drag this one. Now white chalk they blow for hair. To make confusion enter their midst. There is nothing they've not done. But that time still pass. That time still pass. So reporting, carrying person name to them. Juju Ekwensu and an evil group. They've already done everything. I wish they can break my nation. Therefore don't break quantity. Not be this one won't go report. Therefore don't do one. Then they don't see what it pass them. Power pass power. Now it make they can't do anything. Power pass power. And do not hear Juju Ekwensu mama. No atom of mercy. No conscience. No remorse. Thank God say she talk muna here. Because if we dey talk, una know they believe us sometimes. You see the wickedness. When I tell una say these people, their heart na stone they there. How can you even answer somebody? Onyala. When you know very well that your daughter destroyed the happy home. You see the mother. If this kind mama born Juju Ekwensu, what do you expect from her? Do you want Juju Ekwensu to feel remorse? Never. When the mama stand for her back, they tell her, say, what did she do? She did the right thing. Here's the wine. See there, here's the wine. Here's the one munch. Juju Ekwensu, we don't carry main nation name. Go Juju, it not work for her. Neither they report main nation they give. They report Mr. Obasi. Say, may they deal with Mr. Obasi. People cannot do Mr. Obasi anything. Juju Ekwensu sister, no. They can only attack him. They can't do him more than that. They will attack him to weaken him. They will attack him to make him slow down. They cannot do him anything. You know why? Because the ancestors now they fight for Mr. Obasi. Did Juju Ekwensu commit abomination or not? They no fit do Mr. Obasi anything. Did Juju Ekwensu commit abomination with this man for this man house or not? So for that reason, they cannot do Mr. Obasi anything. Wonder shall never end, on my lovely fans. These three witches, they are bumble that they open. Very soon, they go confess. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.